Hello and welcome to another session on risk management. Today we'll cover industry knowledge base, influence diagrams, and the interview. Let's begin with the first concept. Industry knowledge base is another form of a checklist. This technique is used in the identify risk process. However, it comes with a disadvantage. This technique captures only that which has happened previously and excludes project-specific risk. Risk can also be identified with the help of an influence diagram. This is a visual representation of a project situation. It pinpoints key areas to address, decision points, uncertainties and objectives, and how they influence each other. When combined with a sensitivity analysis or a Monte Carlo simulation, influence diagrams show how risks influence one another. This technique can uncover risks that aren't readily apparent in verbal descriptions or through other techniques. Now, the disadvantage is that it's not always easy to determine an appropriate structure for this technique. Another technique we'll look at is interviewing. Risk identification interviews require the participation of all key stakeholders and should be conducted by an independent skilled interviewer using a structured agenda in an environment of trust, openness, and confidentiality. Other techniques like risk breakdown structure, checklists, or prompts lists can serve as a framework for risk interviews. The disadvantage of using this technique is that it's a time-consuming process. It may require filtering as it generates non-risk, concerns, issues, worries, etc. And that brings us to the end of this module. In the next module, we'll learn about a few more techniques to identify risk. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.